Hey you, do you want to know how to earn while spending? If interesado ka, panoorin mo ito. Hello everyone! As what I have promised last week, this week's topic is about the stock market. Yes, you have heard it right. This week's topic is about stock market. So before I start, I would like you to give a simple warning. A warning that would help you minimize the risk in stock market. So this would be the warning. Warning. Stock market, guys, is not for people who have not yet studied and attended webinars about stock market. Second, stock market is not a quick rich get scheme wherein di siya sure if papasok ka ng stock market, yayaman ka agad. Kasi karamihan ng tao na nag-invest sa stock market ay hindi yung mayaman. But with enough knowledge that I'm going to share to you in this video, probably you will earn a lot in stock market. So let us discuss what is stock market. Stock market, guys, is a place wherein you spend your money, go shopping, and earn while doing it. Wait, what? It doesn't make sense. Actually, I'm gonna simplify it. Put it like this. Imagine your favorite company want to expand their business. They have a bright idea, but they don't have enough capital. So, they need to garner enough capital. So, there are three ways to garner enough capital. That company could get capital in their own business profit, bank loan, and private investment. So, stock market, guys, is the private investment wherein the company sell a part of its ownership to me, to you, and the public. Through what? Through stocks, shares, and equity. Yes. So if your favorite company want to expand their business, they will sell a part of their company's ownership to you and to the public. And pag kumita sila in their business, lalago rin yung pera natin. So, let us discuss how to earn in stock market. So, there are two ways to earn in stock market. First way is through dividend. Second way is through price appreciation. So, ano po yung dividend? For example, you have a 20% share at the company. Ibig sabihin, if the company you have invested your money earned 100 million in 1 year, you have actually a share of what? 20 million pesos. Bam! Yes! 20 million pesos without doing anything. So, it's pretty amazing, right? So, the second way to earn in stock market is through price appreciation. So, ano po yung price appreciation? So, guys, price appreciation is like this. You buy it at a lower price and sell it at a higher price. Ibig sabihin, when the stock market is on down, is on sale, you buy it. But when the stocks and the company is going up, you sell it. So, ngayon na-discuss na natin on how we can earn in stock market. So, let us discuss the ways to earn in stock market. Actually, guys, there are two ways to earn in stock market. The first way is through direct investing. The second way is through indirect investing or mutual fund. So, what is direct investing? So, direct investing, guys, is like this. It is like you are driving your own car. Ibig sabihin, ikaw yung may control. Ikaw yung bahala kung saan ka patungo. You can go to Cebu, Bohol, Davao, Iloilo, Olongapo. It is all up to you. It means, pwede kang mag-shortcut, pwede kang mag-longcut. So, in stock market perspective, yung mga places na na-mention ko earlier, like Baguio, Cebu, Bohol, represent companies na bibilhin mo sa stock market. Let us say, Baguio is McDonald's, Cebu is Jollibee. So, yun yung mga companies na bibilhin mo sa stock market. So, what are the examples? So, bigyan kita ng example. Way back 1993, guys, Jollibee price per share is actually 9 pesos. Ibig sabihin, if meron kang 90,000 pesos at that time, you have already bought 90,000 shares. So, ibig sabihin natin, ginalimutan mo yun. Then you look back at the stock market in first quarter of 2019, wherein the price per share of Jollibee is actually 325 pesos. Bam! Like, damn! Nilagay mo lang yung pera mo, tumubo agad. So what? What if 325 pesos na yung price per share? Ganito siya, guys. Since you have 10,000 shares, then yung price per share na originally 9 pesos is now 325 pesos. So it means yung pera mo sa stock market from 90,000, nagparkour siya or tumubo to 3,250,000 without you doing anything. Freaking amazing! So ibig sabihin, you already gained 3,160,000. Damn! Amazing, right? So, yun. Let us go to the second. Indirect investing or mutual fund. So, ano po yung indirect investing at mutual fund? So, indirect investing, guys, is like you are riding a jeep. So, sa jeep, maraming tao. Wherein, yung indirect investing, guys, is like ako, ikaw, marami tayong investor wherein the money ay nilagay sa isang vehicle o tinatawag natin na mutual fund wherein sabihin natin jeep siya. So since yung jeep, di ba guys, is may ruta. May ruta silang pina-follow. So ibig sabihin, di na tayo kailangang mag-do ng research, mag-check ng prices every day, every month. The work goes to fund manager. So it means all we're gonna do is sleep and we earn money. Great? You like it? So, ito, I give you an example. PhilEquity is a mutual fund. Way back 1995, PhilEquity price per share is actually 1.1095. So, in 2015, actually guys, the price changes. Do you want to know? Do you want to know, right? Yes, in 2015, from 1.095, the price per share of PhilEquity increased. It turns into 39.85. So what does it mean? So it means that if you invested 100,000 in stock market way back in 1995 in PhilEquity, you already gain almost 4 million pesos. Bam! Diba? Alaki. What you only did is invest. Pretty amazing, right? So, what is the difference between direct investing and indirect investing? So, the basic difference between the two is that in stock market, you are the one who is in control. And direct investing is not you're not the one who is in control, but you're only riding the expert. Like you're paying the expert to manage your money. And when your money grow, you earn from it. So, what is the minimum capital for this investing? So guys, in stock market, to enjoy at di ka malugi sa mga charges, you really need 8k pesos. Yes, you need 8k. Put that in mind. Before investing in stock market, para di ka malugi sa charges, you need minimum of 8k or 8k rule. So, sa mutual fund po ba, magkano? So, sa mutual fund, guys, you only need 1,000 pesos. Yes, 1,000 pesos to start investing. 1,000? Yes, 1,000 lang. So, the next part, where would I invest in stocks na nasa COVID tayo? Here's the good news, guys. You can invest through online. You can invest access on like COL, if you want a basic user-friendly app in investing, or pwede namang sa MyTrade, wherein it is great for IPOs, initial public offering. So yun. To end this, I would like to ask you a question. Before, sa paggawa ba ng bahay guys, ano yung nauuna? Yung bubong o yung pundasyon? So kung ang sagot mo ay pundasyon, you should watch the next video because the roof is actually the investment. So if you want to protect and secure your money and your future, you better watch and stay tuned in the next video. So that would be all for today's vlog. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now and click the bell button. Remember, study and be smart and financially wise, and let's be millionaire together. That would be all. Thank you. Thanks for watching.